Well, hello and welcome back. What we're going to show you that this is not a biker funeral, but boy, we sure thought it was because there was one double a lot of them. But it turned out to be a Kyle Petty charity ride, and we didn't find out who it was for. But one of the bikers we stopped at a place at the end, and he was there, and we asked him. He said that's what it was for. So God bless them all. Right on, bros. There must have been easily 100, if not more, motorcycles. They had cops or the traffic people that will stop traffic. They stop them, so that all these bikes can get through. It was really rather interesting, but they were all behind me, and well, the poor Star, she's struggling to get this big ass heavy trailer down the road. And I told the wife, I said, "This is ridiculous. I said, we're going to pull over and let these guys go on by." So we did. We pulled over, and this is what we saw after we pulled over. So enjoy some of the music. I'm not going to play a lot of it. I'm just going to play one track, actually, maybe two, and enjoy the video. So thank you. And they were still coming up behind me. As you can see, I ease over towards, actually right over off the white line. And I've got my arm out the window and I'm waving these guys on by. They're still back there. They're still coming. I have no idea how many more there are. So I know I think there's a car and an SUV coming up behind them too that are part of this. It's got some writing on the side of the one car, but I didn't catch what it was. But yeah, we're on our way into Cameron, Arizona. Not much there. Cute little town. All right. And then all of a sudden we come up over this little hill, and whoa. And everybody stopped in front of me. Oh my gosh, I'm not racing at 65 miles an hour, but then again, it's still kind of hard to get it slowed down. The guy just passed me, just figured out, whoa, everybody stopped. That's what we're coming up to the roundabout. I just eased over. I started slowing way down and waving them around to let them all get up in their group again. And then we went through the roundabout, and then one of the guys was over there at the Burger King, and I forget what the gas station was. He was over there, so we pulled up and stopped and asked him what it was about. And that's when he told us it was a Kyle Petty charity run. And here's what see, they're still coming. It's ridiculous the amount. And then you'll see pretty soon, as we get up towards the roundabout, there'll be the two vehicles I was speaking of earlier that'll be coming around. It was kind of cool going through the roundabout where everybody had the traffic stopped, but they're cool. Everybody's waving at me as they went by. Hey, we appreciate you pulling over and stuff. They're giving the old high five and whatnot. So it was a pretty cool little interesting thing to see. So enjoy it, and don't forget to give us a subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you got any biker friends, share with them, and maybe they'll enjoy it. There's one of the vehicles that stopped traffic. The guys with the yellow, and then it looks like an official looking van. Not really sure what that's all about, but I think it must be part of the escort service that comes on with this. So there you be. They're off and running.